Today, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different video than I usually do. I am going to be do an unboxing and first impressions video. So I've been interested in some e-ink devices. I'd like one to help with reading and some note-taking, taking notes on that reading, whether that's through a Kindle application or PDFs, other ebooks. I read books in the library a lot, so like a Libby app would be great. So I've been looking at how best to do that. I have an iPad, and I've had a pencil with it for a long time, and I just never liked the way it felt, and it's too much. It's too much. There's too much distractions and stuff on the iPad. So I've ordered two Boox devices, and also a Supernote. And I'd like to take you through my unboxing and first impressions of these so that you can see if it's something that you'd like to use as well. Today, I'm going to do an unboxing of this Note Air 3C. This is the color one, and I got this because I thought it would be a good one. It has the color that's kind of interesting to me, and after I ordered it, this is the first one I ordered, and I thought this is the one for me. So after I ordered it, started watching some other reviews of it, and there was mention of poor battery life. And so that started to scare me because of the color and the refreshing screen. So I went ahead and ordered a Note Air 3, just a regular, so non-color. And I'd love to do a comparison between the two because I hear this one gets much better battery life. I don't know if I need the color. Like, honestly, I think the only place I'd see the color is on PDFs sometimes, and I think there are some ebooks that have some colors like headings and things like that, but honestly, I don't know if it's gonna be that big of a deal. I'm not a drawer or anything like that. I do like to take handwritten notes though. So I'd love to do that. So I'm gonna put this Note Air 3 aside for now and go straight to the Note Air 3C. See what's in here and get it all set up. And I have no previous experience with any of these. I looked at the Remarkable. I looked at what was that one? The Kibo? Can't remember what it was called, to be honest. But this is the one I ended up with because I liked the reviews, and it seemed to be a brand new one from a company that releases a lot of products on a regular basis. The other thing that I'm interested in is like the size, how big of a ebook reader I'm going to want, because I honestly don't know. These are obviously larger than not obviously, but these are larger than the Supernote I ordered. The Supernote was the A6X 2. I can't remember if it's 2 or just X, but it's a smaller size than this is. So I don't know which is going to be best for me. So let's open this thing up and see what we've got in here. A nice little sleeve here, and nice box, honestly. It's got the books on the cover, which is pretty nice. The inside is padded. I didn't expect the inside of the box to be padded. And here's the device. I've never seen one of these in person. I've never held a device like this. I do have a friend that has a Remarkable 2 that I've used very briefly. That was kind of cool. But this is pretty cool. All right, so let's open this up. I bet it just slides right out. Yeah, there we go. It's very metallic. I didn't expect it to be metallic like this. Although I guess I heard that it was based on some reviews, but that looks pretty good. I'm going to see if there's anything else in here I'm going to need right away. Oh, I guess the pen. That's one of the reasons why I like these devices, or I think I like these devices, is because of the pen. So here's one of the pens. Also in here is that's probably to take out the SD card or something. And in here we have a USB cable. So you can see that. That's just USB-A to USB-C, which is nice. I'm kind of starting to wish it was just USB-C to USB-C on these cables from these devices. But that's what that is, kind of standard. And then the little pencil thing. So let's open this thing up. and see what this is like. So in here, it's the pencil. These ridges are definitely feelable. I don't know if that's the right term, but I can feel that these edges are there. Although it feels pretty nice in my hand. Comes with this little cap to put that on. It looks like it has a straight edge here or a flat edge here, so it doesn't, you can keep it from rolling around on your desk. And it probably attaches that way to the side. I think I saw that somewhere, that it attaches to the side. Ah, there it is. It does attach to the side there. All right, so there's the attach. It's on there pretty good, although honestly it seems pretty easy to flip it off. All right, let's start this thing up. I have no idea what to expect. I don't know if that's like the full screen there, or like it's the brightness. Looks like I have to hold the button for a while. Yeah, here it comes. All right, Onyx. Looks like it's going to take a minute to boot up, which is fine. As I mentioned, this is the first one of these devices I've ever used. I do have a Kindle, so I'm used to the e-ink screen, but certainly not a color one, and also not one that you can write on. All right, English, yes. Sure, yep. Terms and conditions. Date and time. I am not in Beijing, so that's okay. It looks like you can scroll. Okay, yeah, you scroll up like that. And let's see, I am Central Time. So let's take Central Time. Automatically set those, that's fine. Auto sleep, I'm not gonna mess with these yet. From what I can tell online and just reading around, there are a lot of different things I don't even know. Like people are like, haven't set it up yet or haven't set the settings how I like them, the preferences and the refresh rates and all that kind of stuff. I just have no clue about any of that, to be honest. So system navigation, we got navigation bar okay. These are options or a toggle, I guess. Choose one or the other. So I don't know where the navigation bar would show up, or we have gestures. So e-ink center. I don't know what the e-ink center is. Maybe is that an app? I don't know what e-ink center is. Back home screen. Back to the home screen? Like that's another thing I'm not sure what that means. And then back. Okay. Sure. E-ink center, back home screen, and back. Okay. And we have some of the sides here. I guess these are also toggles. I can turn these on or off. Up and down, swipe gestures. Turn the volume up and down. And the brightness. Sure, I'll turn that on. Left and right. From the left and from the right. So this is back, which also this is back. And both those are back. And yeah, I guess I'll turn that on. I'm more used to that kind of a thing for back than up from the side. So I'll turn that on for now. Setup is now completed. Starting your books. I didn't even get to read the other thing down there. Save documents to the books folder in storage. Then the library will automatically scan them. If books are not shown, please check the library scan path. Customize scan path. Yeah, I don't have any clue what I'm doing right here. It says library. I obviously don't have anything in my library. Store. Notes. Okay, please log into the Onyx account first before viewing notes. You can also create notes first and then log. I'll just create notes first because I do want to see what this is like to write on. Let's use, what's the work? Horizontal line 26, 30. Let's try 26. I don't know. Create. All right, so here we go. This is the first time. All right, this seems a little more like squeaky than I was expecting, which is unexpected. Like it feels like it's how do I describe that? It goes in a little bit, kind of rubbery. Yeah, this is the first time for. Right on. I mean, it looks like it's recognizing my writing pretty quickly, or at least not recognizing it, but transferring it to the screen pretty quickly. An E. Honestly, the sound of it is pretty nice. I like it. Let's see. I can't remember how to write in cursive. This is how I write in cursive. Maybe. All right, looks like there's some ghosting there. I don't know how to get rid of that ghosting. That's definitely something I'm gonna have to figure out. I don't know if you can see it. If I pull it up maybe a little closer, you might be able to see it. But other than that, it's pretty cool. I think it's light enough to do what I want it to do, like use it for how I want to use it. Oh, there's the USB-C port for charging, I guess. That's probably where the SD card goes. Looks like some speakers on the side. Like if I hold it and write it, I'm taking your order. This is like me taking your order at the restaurant. What would you like for dinner? Okay. So at the moment, I think I saw someone swipe down one time. Okay, yeah. So swipe down. Looks like there's things I can do in here. I'm at 85% battery. This is one of the things I need to be watching is the battery life, because that's what I've heard is not so great on this device. So I want to make sure to monitor that. And also this Frontlight. Like if I put this all the way down, I heard this is really dark. All right, honestly, that's probably fine enough for me. Like this is no backlight. I don't think, or no front light, or no light. I don't know if it's backlight or front light. Front light, no front light. But it's like I've heard that it's really dark, and yeah, if I were reading a book or something on this, I probably wouldn't want it that dark. Although if I'm just writing, honestly, this is fine. Again, I don't really have anything to compare it to other than my Kindle Oasis, which I've had for years now. And that isn't for writing. That's just for reading. But this is for writing. Cool. Okay, there's some tools on the side here. Sync, lasso, shape, canvas. I have no idea what these are. Layers, temp. I don't know what temp is. Oh, yeah, I was going to see if I could refresh that screen to get rid of that. I have no idea what child mode is. Screencast, EEC center, sound looks like there might be another page here. Yep, full refresh. Okay, what if I do that? Yeah, okay, now that one went away now. So that was just some ghosting on the background. I'm going to turn up the, now that I say it, like I'm going to turn up the front light a little bit more because it is starting to get a little bit annoying. I'm not seeing hardly anything happen here. Up. I think right about here is where I'm first starting to see a difference in the light. There's also this warmth. Like if I put this middle warmth, all the way warm. Yeah, this is something I'll just have to, it's like a preference thing. I honestly don't know what I prefer because again, I don't have much of a, wait, what the, Naviball? Is that what that thing is down there? Is this the Naviball? Like if I press that. I have no idea what these mean. Honestly, that's power. What is this? Oh, shoot. Oh, okay. Did that move mine? Oh, okay. I can move it there. Yeah, I have no idea what that did. All right, so then if I want to, back home, like if I swipe up. Okay, so that's home, apparently. And then e-ink center, what's that? Oh, okay, so this is like settings for the e-ink stuff, I guess. HD mode, there's different modes. Yeah, this is the stuff I'm just like, I have no clue. I didn't even, hardly realized this was a thing on these kind of devices. Dark mode and dark color enhancement, vivid enhancement, color brightness. I do wish it kind of came with like something, like if it came with like a user guide or something on here that I could read right away, that'd be super helpful. Yeah, there's like nothing. Because even if it was like, here's some things you can look at on your new device, that'd be helpful because I have nothing to sync it to. I have no library. This is fully brand new. Just the whole concept even. Not just this particular device, but Boox devices and then e-ink devices in general are brand new to me. It looks like there's more ghosting already. I don't know how. That probably is something that's like a setting to where you can make it refresh more often. But that's like, I don't know if you can see, but that's like 2 or 3 page moves, navigations of ghosting in there, which doesn't bother me that much. Like if is there anything in the gallery? No media. Like put a photo on here or something. Clock. Sweet. There's a clock. Okay. Go away settings. That's the clock. All right, so first impressions are pretty good. The thing I'm gonna be looking out for is the battery life. I'm not connected to Wi-Fi or anything. I'll need to connect to Wi-Fi, see how things are. Push read, is that like an RSS reader? Sorry, getting a little distracted. I'd have to explore this a little bit. But this is the unboxing of it. My first impressions are good. Notifications. Somehow I went to some notifications. Snowflake. Don't know what Snowflake is. But yeah, I have a lot to learn about this device. And I'll be making further videos during the week as I get used to this. And then as kind of once I've gotten used to this, I think I'll pull out the Note Air 3. Not the color version, and see what the difference is, other than battery life, if there's any. One of the reasons I wanted this over the 3, other than the color, was that even the black and white had 300 DPI, whereas the 3 just had like 227, I think it was. So I want to know if that makes a difference, because my Kindle is a 300 device, and so I'm kind of used to that type of resolution, and I don't know if it's going to be real noticeable or not. But anyway, thanks for joining me. Make sure to tune in later as I try to figure out how to use this thing. Like I don't know where my notes went. Notes. Here we go. There's my beautiful note. But yeah, thanks for joining. And hopefully I'll learn this thing and fill you in at some point in the future.